Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is PowerClip problem 4B because it's going to be hopefully real short. If you didn't watch part 4 to get this point, we've canceled a PowerClip and we're using the intersect tool to get this. But the question was, can she use find and replace? Well, she can now. She could not a while ago when the power clipping. So if we go to view and find and replace, open query, edit, add query, let's move this over a little bit. Click the box, double click on the text, click this box, go get your eyedropper tool and click on that brown and then double click OK. What she needs to do is turn all the browns black so she can make a screen for a screen printer as far as I know, and just say find all and then just left click black. So now everything is black and she can make her screen. And what's so cool about this, when she wants to print it for real, I would think on the second one, maybe, I don't know, she can turn them all brown. Or really they're all selected, so you could actually move them out of the way. Let's just, do that. See, our nudge factor is still set on 10. Instead of going through and picking them all, we're going to go back to find and replace, edit query. We don't have to color because the color is going to be in there, and just say, okay, find all. And then you could just nudge those browns. I've actually got something going on. Let me hit F4. Oh, it's finding all the browns, even in our other copy. I forgot I had that over there. So let's go back to find all. And a lot of times this doesn't work, but you could go Control G to group them together. And then grab the brown and move them over if they need to print that. I know nothing about it. But I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.